Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I am at 7228 North Villard Avenue in Portland to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 4-inch ABS cleanout located in the basement of the home, and I'm currently in a horizontal lateral position now with some water flowing. So at this point I will set my foot marker to read 0 and begin my inspection. Here at approximately 70 feet, the line transitions to what appears to be 6-inch concrete or transite asbestos concrete. At approximately 71 feet, we can see a spot of roots. At approximately 80 feet, the line makes connection to the city main. At this point, we're going to shut off the water, get a locate on this main, and then re-inspect the rest of the line on our way back. Located the connection to this main approximately 10 feet deep in the middle of the street in front of the house, marked out with some white paint. We'll go ahead and begin our pullback now. The water's off and drained out. See more roots at the main connection. Go ahead and get a locate at this transition. Located this transition approximately 2 feet past the curb line, approximately 9 foot 6 inches deep. Everything past this point is well within the city's jurisdiction. Go ahead and get a locate right here. Located this spot approximately 9 foot deep in the sidewalk, marked out with some white paint. We'll go ahead and pull back to the property line now and get a locate there. And we'll go ahead and run some cold water for a moment to try to get rid of some of this steam. Located this spot under the property line, approximately 8 foot 6 inches deep, marked out with some more white paint. We'll go ahead and continue back. We have a bit of water still flowing out from a toilet flush I just performed, trying to get rid of that steam. Appears to have worked. Still got some slow flowing water that we'll let drain out. Alright, looks like all that water's finally drained out now, so we'll go ahead and continue back. Here's that we have the beginning of some, or end of some possible pooling at approximately 36 feet. It's extremely shallow right now. We'll scratch that. Could just be the camera dragging small amounts of water back and we see it flow forward. I won't call that even minor pooling. Approximately 28 feet we appear to have an offset, some amount of either cement or excess glue in the bottom of the line. Going to some sort of fixture. We'll go ahead and get a locate here. Alright, so far I haven't been able to find anything through digging and probing. It does appear that it could be an exterior clean out. But there's an offset and some sort of obstructive material causing pooling. Go ahead and keep pulling back. This concludes the video sewer line inspection for the downstream portion of the line. We're going to go ahead and use another cleanout higher up on the stack to inspect the line going to the backyard ADU in just a moment. Here's the cleanout for the ADU, directly next to the cleanout we just used. Go ahead and get it as far into the line as we can. Approximately 25 feet, we appear to have a two-way cleanout, most likely right next to the ADU. Now we're most likely inside the ADU. There is what appears to be the toilet flange for the ADU, so we'll go ahead and pull back now. Several fixtures. Does not appear to be any standing water, though we just ran quite a bit of water not too long ago. This concludes the video sewer line inspection for 7228 North Villard Avenue in Portland. The serviceability of the sewer line does appear to be compromised due to an offset causing pooling, and our recommendation is a spot repair.